हेलो फ्रेंड, दिस इज रिचा शर्मा। वेलकम टू माय चैनल लेट्स स्टडी विद रिचा। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे बीएड का पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन का टॉपिक, इफेक्ट्स ऑफ पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ ऑन एजुकेशन। अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ना किया हो तो जरूर कर लीजिए और सेशन पसंद आए तो लाइक और शेयर जरूर कीजिए। वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ ऑन सोशल डेवलपमेंट, ऑन इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द इफेक्ट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ ऑन एजुकेशन. The first point is more teachers. Definitely to educate the students there is need of more teachers. Okay. Next, so for the more teachers, they have to spend money on teachers also for their training purposes and for the other facilities. It will impact on the education department of the society or country. Next is school overcrowding. If there will be more population, then there will be more children and school will be overcrowded. The classes will be overcrowded with the children and it will be difficult for the school management to handle all these students. Right. Next is change in attitude. Definitely there will be change in attitude of the teachers and the teachers and administrations. Like they need according to the need, there will be need of more teachers, and for more teachers they will need more salary. Like, and then it will change their attitude. Next is funding issues. To provide the education to all the students and to provide all the facilities in the school, like for the arrangement of labs, computer lab, science lab, and the instruments needed for the experiments, there will be need of funding issues. And for arranging the picnics for the students or the other facilities, there will be need of funding issues. So it will impact on the education department of the society or the country. Next is continued education. To continue the education for the children, so there will be need for the more facilities which can be provided freely to the population. Okay, because poor people will not allow their children because of the cost. Right, so it will impact on the education department of the country. How will they manage the funding systems, the fees of the educations? Next is abnormal rush of admission at all levels. Definitely, if there will be more population, and there will be rush of admissions at all levels. Maybe it will be school level, secondary level, higher secondary levels, or at college levels. Next is insufficient infrastructure. There will be insufficient infrastructure. Right, there will be need for the schools, the playgrounds, the labs. So it will be difficult for the education administrations to provide the sufficient infrastructure for all the students. Right. Next is insufficient accommodation. The classes will be overcrowded. If for the more classes, they need more accommodation. So it will also increase the cost of the educational societies. Next is overcrowded classes. And the 10th point is recruitment of untrained teachers in certain schools, because there will be need of more teachers, and then there will be deficiency of the reduction in the skilled teachers. So they have to recruit the untrained teachers in certain schools. And their attitude will be very high because they know that there is a need of more teachers. So it will impact on the education system of the country. Next point, 11th point, is deterioration in standard of education. For providing the education to all the students, maybe they have to decrease the syllabus, which will impact on the standard of education. Okay. Next is problem in cooperation with parents. Definitely, when there will be more children, then teachers have to cooperate. Principal, coordinator have to cooperate with the parents, and sometimes parents are not educated, and they are not ready to listen to the problems of the teacher, or why they are saying any negative point of their children. They were ready to fight with the teachers. They are not ready to listen with the teachers. So it will impact on the education system. Okay, so these were the main points which can of effect of population growth on education. I hope you understand all the points. If there is any confusion, you can comment me in the comment box. I will clear your doubt. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, comment it, like it. Thank you so much.